I'm Magdalene,
I'm Eliza.
and we are singing Chasing Pavement.
Look at Christy. Hi. Finally, you said it.
Here
Okay.
I go.
I've made up my mind. I don't need to think it over. If I'm wrong, I am right. I don't need to look no further. This ain't lies. I know this is love, but
I searched the world, I never say enough, 'cause it was not said to you, and that's exactly what I need to do if I end up with you. Should I give up, or should I just keep chasing payments, even if it leads nowhere? Or would it be a waste, even if I know my place? Should I leave it there?
should I give up or should I just keep chasing pavements, even if it leads nowhere? Should I give up or should I just keep chasing? Okay, I'll build myself up. I fly around in circles, waiting as my heart tries. My back begins to tingle finally. Could this be it, or should I give up?